Hello. How's everybody doing? Today I'm working on Ireland from Bountiful Baby and Tink from Bonnie Brown. Right now I'm doing the toenails on Ireland's little foot. I use my little magnifying light and magnifier to get in there and clean up any little debris from the paint so I could see better. I use toothpicks, paintbrushes, and right now I'm just cleaning up the little toenail area. I use a toothpick to go in and just dab a little bit of color. And then use the other side of the toothpick to blend it in the little toenail. And then if you have any paint that's excess, you could just dab it off with a little paintbrush or pick the end of a toothpick. So today is February 15th. Yep. Almost getting to March. I can't wait for the spring. Warm weather. Enjoying outside. I actually have the door open right now. Let me get this little blob of paint off. I think it's great to use one of these little magnifying lights because you can see what the heck you're doing. Like I just blobbed on some paint on the baby here. I'm gonna have to clean it up. So I'm gonna take my little paintbrush, dip it in a little bit of the paint so you can clean it up around here. It's hard for you to see because I'm working the opposite direction of the camera. But if you use this magnifying light, you will see what you're doing pretty good. I got this in Hobby Lobby and it works really good. I'll get to clean up any excess paint. Even after it dries, you could take a clean toothpick and you could go in and clean up around the toes and wherever the paint is. So here I am adding some color to this little fat foot. And I will clean it up as needed. After you bake the baby, sometimes the paint dries and you don't like the way it looks. What do? You clean it off. I use, like I said, a toothpick or very, very fine sandpaper. You could do that. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. Can you see? It's hard to see because I'm working under this light. What else? I don't know. Who do I have made? Getting made. I have a Megan who's adopted. Tink, who can be adopted, and Tink's available. Megan, Tink, Ireland, and my Tamino. I'm gonna lift this up, folks. Out of the way. And Tamino's mine because he is the twin of Paulino. Here's the creases. I'm going to add some color to the creases with my little brush. Get this little fat foot done. Go in with your little sponge and dab. Like I said, don't worry too much about excess paint because you can clean it off. This is Genesis Heat Set paint. Very easy to work with. And doesn't dry so fast. So here I'm adding paint to the creases. You don't have to be critical because I go in and I blot it after. I mean, I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm going to blot it. This little baby Ireland from Bountiful Baby. Her head's in the oven with Tink. And her little limbs will go in the oven. If you want her, if you're interested, PM me. she'll be about 500. With rooted hair, it'll be an extra 150. Okay, now let's add some. This will give it like a veining look on the little foot. So this is what I'm doing here today. Hubby's working. I'm painting. I have the door open, well, the window on the door open. Got to go outside a little bit. It's like 58 degrees. It's great. Love it. Spring is on its way. I'm sure we'll have a few more cold days because it's still winter. But I'm in here making babies. My babies are available. Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. I have my YouTube page here, channel. I have my Facebook pages. And let's blot, 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 blot. Then check your work in the magnifying mirror, magnifying light. So if you see any blobby spots, you fix it. Everybody has their own way of doing babies. Not everybody has to like everybody's ways. You do get some mean people out there in the doll community. Oh, how come you did it like that? Ooh, oh, ooh. They ask others, and don't say nothing if you don't like it. Just move on. Nobody's asking your opinion. If somebody asks your opinion, they'll ask. Oh no, I just got some stuff on the toenails. It's all right, we clean it up. Let me see. Okay. This little fat leg will get baked, and then more details afterwards. I like to add details to the knee area. Just a little bit of extra color. Not like that. Can you see that? That's too much. Just blend it in. Blend it in. Then use your cosmetic wedge. So, I'm going to go finish up Ireland's limbs. Here's her other leg. Can you see? Questions? Ask me questions. Come to Facebook, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. I have groups. My groups are friendly, and we do not tolerate negative people. No. I can't deal with that. There's too much stuff going on in the world. We all have to try to be nice. Be nice or don't say nothing. Right? Right. Over and out. Talk to you guys soon. If you have any ideas for videos, like what? Oh, let's talk about limbs. Let's talk about belly plates. This is going to go on Ireland, the belly plate. Let's talk about anything you like other than negative stuff. Out. Check out my son, Little Guy Trucker, on YouTube. Check out my son, Mr. Fresh Vinyl. And me. Love you guys. Bye.